have decided to finally step out of the house. And I'm so happy that I could get it done in the first half of the day.
We're gonna go to Central Park.
It's clearly 8 to 10 years old.
Sky, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk
Or
about
I'm
daydreams,
fascinated by
haze,
other
seems we're
people's
kind of
grocery
alive.
hauls. And they were having a clearance sale.
Hands at every single airplane in the sky.
I had a hard time.
Under blue sky, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams. Hey, it seems we're crossing the line.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're seeing me for the very first time, hi, my name is Tarasha. I live in Gurgaon and I make lots of productivity, lifestyle and daily vlogs, and this vlog is gonna be a few days in my life kind of thing because it's already evening and we have decided to finally step out of the house. If you're all caught up on my vlogs, you know that we got a termite control treatment done at our house a few weeks ago. I think it has been 2 weeks. And you know what, the whole house was just upside down. Every drawer, every corner just emptied out, cleaned, and we put all of these stuff back again. Well, somewhere in all of that, my routine just vanished. No slow mornings, no journaling, no meal prep, nothing. But now that things are finally in their place, we thought, why not step out of the house and just go out for a nice dinner date, just the two of us, and enjoy some good food. So yeah, we have decided to head out to Cyber Hub. Let's see, I'm not sure which place we'll be sitting at. You guys will find it out soon. But because we are heading out there and there is a modern bazaar in Cyber Hub, so you know I have to make a mandatory stop. Actually, we are in need of a few groceries. Nothing much. I have already restocked my pantry, but there were a few things that got spoiled in all of this chaos, so I need to restock those. And yeah, now let's go. Also, I'm wearing a very simple outfit today. This shirt is from Realism. If you saw my, I think, what I spent in a week vlog, you already know where this is from. And I'm just pairing it with some Marks and Spencer jeggings because I want it to be really comfortable, and some normal sandals or chappals. That's it. Also, I wanted to show you my bag. Like, this is from Aldo and it's so old. Unfortunately, I cannot link it for you, but I still wanted to show it to you guys because it's so pretty. It's clearly 8 to 10 years old and I've kept it in a very good condition because I store it in a dust bag. In fact, I store all my handbags in a dust bag, so they last me really long. Also, that's the reason of me not buying handbags every season. So yeah, this is my complete outfit and now we're gonna head out. कैसी है? It's good. It's strong, है ना? It's very strong. You will not be able to sleep at night.
Really?
Yeah, it's too strong. It is piping hot. Okay, so I just came back home. It's around 10:45, almost 10:45 p.m. It's quite late. So we had our dinner at Tablespoon. We ordered the truffle mushroom burrata Tuscan sandwich and vodka pasta, the vodka rigatoni. Both of the dishes were phenomenal. They were so good, but unfortunately I could not finish the pasta, so I got it as a takeaway. And my lunch is sorted for a day. So you must have seen that we strolled around and we went to Uniqlo, and AB got a couple of t-shirts for himself, and I also made a quick stop at Modern Bazaar. And before I kept all the groceries inside, I thought why not share it with you. First of all, a very boring thing, I got a pack of kitchen rolls. These are from Vintex and these are my favorite ones because these are thick. Then I got a thing of these soya shami kebabs from Modern Bazaar. I use them in my wraps. Next I got a pack of salad mix, some carrots, toothpaste, all the boring stuff. Nothing's interesting here, but is it just me or are you too fascinated by other people's grocery hauls? A thing of broccoli, dark chocolate chips. I use them for baking purposes, banana breads, chocolate chip cookies, anything. That was all from Modern Bazaar, but I also went to Miniso and got a pack of these facial tissues that I use on a daily basis. So whenever I'm passing a Miniso, I make sure to grab one pack at least so that I never run out of them. I think I'm on my last one, so I had to get it. Then the last thing are these two t-shirts that AB got. Can you tell he loves blue? He got this sando for working out and stuff, and then a normal half sleeved t-shirt, but these sleeves are a little baggy, so a little bit of street style I would say. So yeah, these are the two things he got for himself. I did not buy anything because I did not need any clothes. This is all that I needed. I'm happy with my groceries and my little pack of tissues. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, good morning. I feel like for the first time in days, the house is quiet in the way that I like. There's no drilling, no shifting of the furniture here and there, no dust. It feels just so good and refreshing. I feel like I'm slowly getting back into my routine, getting up on time, keeping a check on my water intake, on my sleep schedule, everything. Like, it just feels so good to be back to your own routine. Well, today is gonna be a pretty standard day. I have a very important thing to do, that is upload my YouTube video today. So I'm gonna dedicate my time today for that. If you're all caught up on my vlogs, I showed you the trackers that I designed for July, and those are really helping me stay organized and segregate my days as well. The thing is, I really missed daily vlogging. If you saw my July reset vlog, the last vlog that I put up, I mentioned that I had a hard time editing, but the truth is I also had a hard time continuing with the daily vlogs. It can be because of the, all the termite chaos and everything, but now when I'm back into my routine, I feel like I can get back to my daily vlogs, and that would make me really happy. So I really feel like the trackers are helping me out in planning my days. Like today, I know that I need to film and just put up my vlog. Everything is ready. The thumbnail, the entire video I spent yesterday prioritizing that, and it gave me a sense of accomplishment, I can say. Anyways, at this point, I'm just rambling. I'll get my day started, make my black coffee, and I am thinking of having avocado toast for breakfast today. It's been really long since I've had it. I don't even remember, like, it's clearly been a couple of weeks. So really excited for it. It's the perfect cold breakfast. Also, it rained so heavily last night. It's a bit humid, but still the weather is nice. Let's make the most of today, and yeah, I will see you guys in some time. Alright guys, it is time to make breakfast. I've already showered, and if you've watched my summer morning routine, you already know this avocado trick. If you have no clue, go and watch that vlog. I am sure you're gonna love this trick and you're gonna remember me every time you use it. The perfect avocados. Go and watch that vlog. I am sure you'll be glad that you clicked on it. This one's a winner too. Yeah. I wish you could smell it. The crema is amazing. It's the Blue Tokai Basan Khan Estate blend, and I just simply love it. Alright you guys, I just got ready for the day. Well, my skin is not skinning the way I want it to, but anyway, summers are always harsh on my skin. I just can't wait for the pleasant weather to get here. I just hate all the humidity, sweat and everything, but that's okay. And well, today was a hair wash day, so I used the smoothing brush from Dyson. I usually use the Airwrap barrels, but I have been loving the straight look on me lately. So yeah, now that I've finished getting ready, it's time to get the video up. Okay, so my video is uploaded, it's up, and I'm so happy that I could get it done in the first half of the day. Well, today I've divided my day into two parts. Like the first half, I would dedicate it to my long form content, and the second half would be for short form content. To be honest, guys, I've been really struggling between these two. If any of you watching are a content creator, you know that you need two different mindsets for both the formats. It's really very difficult, and with all the new updates happening, trial reels on Instagram to reach out to new audience, it's like so much. And I felt like for a couple of weeks I was just feeling overwhelmed with everything. So what I've started doing is minimizing the content or the amount of content that I'm consuming right now over the internet. Like, that has really helped to clarify certain things. And yeah, I just wanted to share that. Also, I thought, why not take a quick break, say hi to you guys, and also take my supplements and collagen. I haven't finished this yet. Well, I'm not that consistent. I'm fairly consistent, but I do forget it on some days. I forget my supplements. I forget this. I am in need of a system. I should have added collagen to my tracker as well. Why did I not do that? Anyways, let's make this fun drink and have our supplements. Also, guys, I meant to show this to you in the morning, but I somehow forgot. So basically, my plants are having a very hard time this summer, and I wanted something that would be convenient for me to take care of them. I saw this on Amazon, and this is known as Bloom Buddy. It's organic growth booster, and it's suitable for every type of plant, be it a fruiting plant, vegetables, shrubs, trees, or indoor plants as well. So I added this recently to my plants. I do not know how they would do because it's only been a couple of days, but I just wanted to share it with you. You know, I have been trying to grow bhindi at home. Well, one had sprouted. If you watched my vlogs, you already know that, but the others did not come up yet, and it's monsoon season, and that means that it's the growth season for plants. So I added this to my indoor plants and to the bhindi plant as well. So let's see how it turns out to be. But yeah, I wanted to share this product with you. I hope you guys already know that I'm trying to revamp my wall around my desk area, especially these two walls. So I got some stuff off of Hippie. I think that's what the brand is called, HYPPY, and they were having a clearance sale. I think they were moving cities or something like that. So I made an order and I received it last week, but I did not get a chance to vlog. So I got this mug rug, and I think this is really cute. Luckily, this is in like a peachish pink tone, and I'm trying to keep a pink aesthetic over here. I also got this set of That Girl posters, and these are so amazing. Let me lay them out for you. I am planning something of this sort on my wall. I haven't put them up yet. Today I think I'm gonna prioritize my editing, but I think tomorrow I'm gonna have a few things here. I also got these really affordable boho wall shelves, you can call them. and I need to hang them up here. I already have the command hooks, but I did not get a chance to do that. I also have this dream catcher from Goa. I have two sizes. This one's the small one, and the bigger one I already have it in my dining room. I'll start putting these things up, I think, tomorrow, and let's see how all of this comes together. Look what arrived, an order from Blue Tokai. Actually, we are out of our grounded coffee. I think only 2 shots are left, that too for tomorrow. So the timing of this package is too good. You can just smell the freshness of a new batch. No notes on this one. So it's 4:37 p.m. and I just finished some work. So the video was already uploaded in the first half, and then I spent a lot of time editing a short. It took a lot of time because I was doing a voiceover, and when you're doing voiceovers you have to do them again and again until it is finalized and it comes up to the most perfect and crisp one. So yeah, it took a lot of time, but now I've just made myself and AB a cup of green tea, and now I'm gonna sit with my book and read for a while. You know that I love doing this. Honestly, I've been trying to get back to the habit of reading. So yeah, that is what I'm gonna do, I think, till 5:15 p.m. and then let's see how the evening unfolds. But yeah, I'm just gonna sit down and have some me time. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna retire for the day. It's been a long one. I am super tired, but I truly hope that you enjoyed watching this vlog. Make sure you give it a thumbs up because it really helps with my channel's engagement. And subscribe if you haven't already. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Bye.
She keeps me close. In the friend zone? Yeah, but I don't mind it too much though. Why? If my feelings don't show, say it ain't so, man. You should know that I've been saying no, but maybe you're the one I've been looking for so long.